Okay, so today's video, what we talking about? Let's see. In the past, I've said I've had cameras in the van, and I have cameras in the van. What type cameras do I have? Well, these ones, like that one there, that little one there, they are V720s. What make they are, I couldn't tell you. I got them a couple years ago, but they actually work pretty good. And oh, hello, it's talking to me. And the great thing about them is they're rechargeable. They only last about 12 hours, but I can stick them anywhere. They're magnetic. That's the size of them. They're magnetic, so if I want to stick them right there, I can stick it there. I can stick it to the outside of the vehicle, and they're pretty good. That is the view of the camera above the freezer right now. So it does work good. Like I say, that's one right there, and they do work good. It's also got sound. That's the view there. I'll move in front of it. It does work good. And that's it on the phone. And we got reverb. Like I was saying, there's the camera in my hand. As you can see, the picture's pretty good. What you can do is put it on the outside of the vehicle. So like I was saying, they're magnetic, so you can put them anywhere. So that's on the side of the vehicle. That's the video it's showing. Oh, there's the ugly guy right there. And as long as it's magnetic, you can stick it there. So for me, it's pretty good, because at nighttime I can stick them on the outside of the vehicle. And if you're not paying attention, you'll never know they're there. Okay, today's actual video is actually trying to see if I can add more of these cameras to the outside of the vehicle. So first I got to pair it to the existing system, and we'll see how that goes, because I don't know if these ones actually will pair with the system I already got. So we'll see. Got these a couple years ago. I just been too lazy to actually install them. But now with hope in recovery mode from surgery, it gives me some time to do it. So we'll see how this goes today. We'll try anyway. The first step to doing all this is I had to go to Walmart, pick up this cigarette lighter adapter. I got a couple little heat shrinks that we probably need. Well, I don't need, but I'm going to use anyway, because I want to try and attach the camera cable, but I don't want to short it out, so that's where the heat shrink will go between the connectors there. Not permanently, just going to put them there, and we'll see how this goes. That is basically what I was talking about. I'm just going to slip that up and over. And that way we don't get the positive and negative cable touching each other. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that actually worked. I got it in my hand right now. I had to go to change the channel to channel 2. And then when that screen comes up, hit menu, hit pairing, I unplugged the camera, plugged it back in, it paired, and now it works. So let me get another camera and see if we can pair this, the third one as well. Okay, let's try this again. I put the camera there. Here's the socket for it. I'm gonna plug it in. The red light is on. We're gonna come back to front of the cab. Excuse all the noise. We'll go to channel 3. We then go to menu. You then hit pairing, which is there. Hit OK. It is pairing. Of course, you know this time it won't work, right? Oh, it worked. So there it is. It is as simple as that. So that is the third camera. I'm going to do one more. I actually got these 3 years ago when we started building it. This is how they come. Comes with everything you basically need, including a cable loom. We won't be using that because I've already ran some cables on the roof. So this is camera 4. And bada boop, bada bing, we got cameras. And they are working pretty damn good. So that is step 1. Now we got mounting them. This is the hard part. Okay, right now that is one of the cameras up there. Still got to angle it correctly and wire it in. Okay, the front one, show that to you in a minute. It's connected to the Unistrut. Actually by a Unistrut bracket. Okay, so there's the passenger side. And driver's side mounted the same way. They are basically on caution signs, but they're aluminum, so they're actually pretty strong. And then the one up front, it's mounted right there. Okay, we're out here this morning about 6:30 before the sun rises. Well, it's coming up right now. Trying to beat the heat because yesterday I got overheated. So there's the front camera. The cable's going to run in this track all the way down. I'm going to put it in some sheathing. Then I got to extend the wire all the way back to the rear right there. Okay, all 4 cameras are now working. Now I just got to tidy that up and aim them a bit better, but it is done. Long process because of the heat. It is now about 8:30 and I am already soaking wet, but I am happy with that. Okay, so update on Hope. She is doing brilliant. Honestly, it's amazing what these modern surgeries can do and these surgeons can do. She's up walking, no pain, and it's amazing to me. But I'll take you in the house and we'll do a bit of recording with Hopi.
Good morning, everybody. I just want to give you a brief update on my status. As you can see, my knee is healing up. It's got a little bit of bruising from the surgery and from the bending, but I've been taking it easy. They said don't do any long walks, so we've just been doing wander around in stores and stuff like that kind of walking. But other than that, I got an appointment on the 31st of this month, and then they'll be taking my stitches out and let me know if I'm doing therapy or if I'm doing it on our own or what. But I'll let you know later what I find out from that appointment. But everything's going great. It feels good. It's bending way more than it did before, so I'm really positive about this surgery. Can't wait to see y'all when we start wandering again.
So there she is. So we'll catch you on the flip side, guys.
Bye.
See
Love
ya.
you.